A 40-year mortgage was built to open the door for young buyers, but new lending data shows it barely moved. A dollar-pegged crypto token created by a Korean issuer collapsed to near zero after a hacking incident. KB Financial Group is putting real money behind unicorn startups with a new fund. One bank is running an AI assistant that tells you exactly how much cash to gift at a wedding and where to send it. And despite a wave of data breaches, most companies still aren't buying cyber insurance. It's Tuesday, July 28th. Let's break down what's happening in Korea's financial sector. Shinhan Bank rolled out a 40-year fixed-rate mortgage last month, aimed at giving young borrowers lower monthly payments over a longer horizon. Regulators have also been tightening debt service ratio rules, which cuts the maximum loan size for many applicants regardless of the mortgage's term. At the same time, a separate shock hit the crypto side of finance when hackers minted unauthorized tokens on a dollar-pegged coin issued by WEMIX. Here's what the numbers show. WEMIX dollar crashed from $1 to $0.0008 after hackers minted about 7.6 billion won, roughly $5.5 million, in unauthorized tokens. WEMIX issuers responded by resetting the token supply down to about 0.0008 times its original size. Shinhan's new 40-year mortgage carries a 5.06% rate, up 0.75 to 1.12 percentage points from 5 years ago, even as the product was designed to ease payments for young buyers. The 5 major banks' fixed mortgage rates now span 4.86% to 6.58%, with variable rates at 4.09% to 6.58%. KB Financial Group's new 150 billion won, about $108 million, unicorn fund starts deploying capital this quarter, expanding bank exposure to early-stage startup risk. Hana Bank expanded its mobile senior consulting tour to 44 local governments in June, up from a slower start in March. So what does this mean for anyone managing financial risk in Korea? Earlier, we said a 40-year mortgage was built to open the door for young buyers. Here's what that actually means for you. The product's own pricing has drifted higher over 5 years, narrowing the very affordability gap it was meant to close. For compliance teams, the WEMIX dollar collapse is a reminder that stablecoin-style tokens issued without banking-grade custody controls can lose their peg entirely within hours. Watch whether regulators tie capital reviews to bank-linked venture funds like KB's, since startup exposure sits outside traditional credit risk models. What to watch? Financial authorities' response to the WEMIX dollar token incident, expected in the coming weeks. Shinhan and peer banks' next mortgage rate adjustments tied to debt service ratio policy reviews. Cyber insurance uptake figures in the next quarterly report from the financial regulator. That's today's AI Prism, Finance Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a WON IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.